Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. In previous video we saw what is constructor and how to create that constructor, then how we can access that constructor in next class. So this was the example. We created a really simple ultra simple class fog, then we created its default constructor, and just to make it simple I have added only one line there which prints fog constructor is called. Then how to test whether we are able to access that constructor or not. So for that I have created a separate class fog tester, then main method, then created the object. So that's how we access the constructor. And if I run this code, but application, so fog constructor is called. So that's how we can access the constructor. Today we will see in this video the types of constructor on the basis of parameters. Basis of parameters or arguments. So like we saw in methods, something similar is here. Either you can have no arg constructor, or we can have arg constructor. So that depends upon the requirement how many argument or parameter you want to use in your constructor. So syntax would be that modifier, then the class name, then this is the default constructor. And if you want default, yeah, it's a new word, no arg, or we can also call this default constructor, or we can have argumented constructor. So how it looks like, same syntax, modify class name, but here you have to pass arguments type like data type, then argument 1 comma, and likewise we can add multiple arguments. Of course it's not a good idea to have multiple arguments. We tend to pass objects, and within those objects we can have multiple fields, but yeah, that's how it works. So on the basis of arguments we can say that we have two types of constructors. Uh, One is argumented constructor, next one is default or no argument constructor. In next video we will create some examples and see how to access them with their data types. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.